guys, back again with another video. And if you didn't see part 1 of My Dog Controls My Day, please go check that out. And so part 2 is where she chooses which toothbrush I use. Lola, get your butt at the camera. Which toothpaste I use, toothbrush even. And she will pick either my electric one or my normal one. So see you when we're ready to do that. So I'm now ready. Well, we are ready. And I'm going to put the treats on the floor for her. And there will be a few more parts, like part 3, 4, maybe even a 5 and 6, I think. So, Lola. So one here, one there. Which one do you want? Oh, she picked the normal toothbrush. Oh, well, she ate the other one anyway. So, I'll be back once I've brushed my teeth. Peace. See you in a minute. There we are. See you in a minute. Oh, so guys, I have brushed my teeth. And I will see you in the next part/episode. And in the next one, you might be able to see, you will find out even what I am going to make her pick. Well, not make her pick, but out of the things. So, see you in the next video.